terra ko krati mo gini tek kwede
so let it mea keket ni anatika mero timo business anga mo mir ana nung tam ki bore to get the right idea
awaje ni chiat bon ngan matika timo gini ni dan e wen pedo nyako okay kede bed git en bene meti ngare mono dong we dire ma bene waje ne ngare ana amire tam
yes
me ario en bene mero ni jo mi nger no bed ki chini we pugo bed baden to en bien ka yin ngat dam surrounding yin ki pe ki chende te do ka mono nok ma ni no ni o mer gen go be ka pon ye chero ju ti nan so the only way me riemo gi enemy me get me enemy be we no be dem power so down ma pol mi rem power down ti nan yo mu kene bene mero ni gi en power we chuk ma gen gi char ki gine ni o bien bot go yor pien chuk bien borri ka won ti atimo gi mo ni maduong ani ja fra wa ni ka na cha ma piero pai ana piero pai ka na piero la ku je pane mama ti dong pai ni dong dire ma ka dong a ter ka nya ni nyulu ka nya bien ga ni ma kon be para mo pick up a chi you know and ka chere we mo piero pai then eventually lo ri dong bien pien kenyu ki wi de pai and we in and tung ka tulu kira ka cha ni tung duer kuja ki kiri ye nasi pien ka ba joma dana ma ti pien nasi ti duo da fene bene ki wido ki kunu pien tu jog gang wen ti tien fene ke chiero payida no avocado okay tu jog gang wen ti tien ngo avocado that's why ki wani ya chudi pien ngo o chego pien ka wa wan no wen we no chugo betie so chuk bieno ka chiere mo ni ma en mener ki kiro ka be ki mbale ni perché ramo kiri ki bora churi pien pa churi ni tiskata ngar mo ti fuora nga gora gok nu ja ka ngar mo ti fuora ka mo ni gok ni gene kwata ya ka kono ngo ente mbale kujani ibi no ni bagisu di ro chok donge wengi di do kul en lo ta beti so nga chani kiro me go ti ya be chi nga de kiro me kuma ki barking now eno ma ki barking ene we ko don chok mo no be ti do ke we ko no jui so no gen ki chara mo tunguru tel Tanzania no pene ngara chiele kana pier mutungulu marama lori a chiele wen era pian chiere ni wen ti a pier gineno ni kedugu for example la uba chiele ti ma gwa gweni ka kan
2 minutes ma medical go
gweni ni ma en gwa ni ti ka mier outgrowers I mean not gweni gen a foyo ti mier outgrowers ni kan ngan ma ro mo gwa a foyo pier be chiele ki cho nye bore ti plan ma dit ben ti chuk ma dira da ma foyo o we yi ja no chuk a foyo ni ma kon chuk a foyo duwe gen gang bodo kuja ngata wi do pe we yes unu piero ma no so ke piero ma no ngata ngi gi mo le bene pe chuk e bene be pe ke di gwa me ke piero ma no me ni ma di ti da yure me chiare ni la ke di guri do chuk e pe ka ra ni mo ti mo gi mo kan ma be we da ma ta pe cha ma la tam da no me ta ma ba
yes
pe dong di lo ni yin kin ni ta ma le chan me tam ma ta da chue gen no tam mo wi ba then da ma bene mi ro lo me tam so me ni bet ki tam me no mi ro bet definite tam ma pe da chaba ko tam ma ne we okay ja na ma pe da gini ene da tam bo ko nya okay e kin jim mo ke ne o wen ma ngol le lo wen pe jim mo ke ne wen ti gen ti ki gen ma ke le chante so kai ne lo tam ma me o mi le bet ki desire okay I bet don't give me executing time ma again ni pian tam ka kan pena pe lon ki tam ka da lon ki tam ko lo duong mo ma pe da
mai tam pe ti mi ki mo chi lo nyo cho
exactly so you know me poke okay ken jo ma tam ji me ti gyo tam ne ti dong I jo ma tam ji me ti cha ngo tam ki be don ki desire nyu miri mo no mi ti mo tam me ni ba don be chu di we ja an ya da wa tam me ba me ana tim ke no command for example an kum kan ane no ot ga bi no an Dung ka or ga bieno a kero chunya matek ni or bu kela chenta madir piane or bu kela chenta madir pian dan ma pol no petika fu donc fu ma ni fu go ni William method ta wa bor now for that reason an para mo bedo america na me oro tieno digo ni ke bed no ni area de ko long ma da kilok me joining partner nyen ke do dan pian do joining partner ke da mi ya bungwen ke pa bi chi
ma we ngono ke ya cross
exactly on in one day but the war here ka ngono ka kwanya jo mi pade mero mi ya da ke piara bit mi joining ano call ki bodo me chet kum ni ka ti lokki joge ana nge ke lokko ge mi ara kwanya da mero mi ali ba chi ge mi ari o
ma ngono ke le to
yes
And my cruising, kikwen, who were the
cruising
people
on
who
the
were
ground.
there?
After one poor baby bar, one of baby can send Monica, Pianama, and the theater to one. She don't give me a child, my own president on TV now, one do will be alone. Yes, don't particularly for that reason. Yes.
The president recognized that?
Of course.
Okay.
It's at Wang and so forth. Okay.
Oh, all right.
On that, they don't got the Camero
Mm.
and but all the same, I made a four by the chat to do, go my bear, down a wing down my bear like a young twin, and get a wing of me the pot of a foil, looking, get my team of people. Eventually, Kai in the time, you care desire, or mere the following action. That's why I better why the TNK been all the year, Piana Town, me to be at Jimmy, or Antina Chiara in your porma. Ciao, if I'm here, no. Okay?
Emir por maromene.
Well, I'm here for Madame Tatayakas.
When?
Kaya now did Jaway know what it die
Aha. Dear Lumumba went anywhere. And Lumumba were a tune, a mere way naked down. Lumumba po were a tune, it's you, Genumon pe. Lumu no avenue, Momo Kene, Madak no a king of a coin, that coining up, coin a joke. When you're through you, where Lumumba care quene? Manyuto o mago chuni o berkanano ngoma twer tim na kidam gwatwa lo ko ba dan wani ni machali yinga man ko iti abien tele nyu iti tele I lo ko ba dan wani ni mi no chen na kinga to mo ni dal en che chul ki atini dir ma du in fact o ka mo wa ke lo wi ke mi be
mi
ke dai wi ma tak jir ku le jir ku le ke mer na pu mu ke wi ko no ke mi yere pero no yin be no ngo liete e no be ko ni wa
Konyo kodo.
amugi dai wio si wa dir da mi plan e cha wo no ngo e cheri unong chai mo gi nyiro mare wa pong po wo te ke e no be la ko ki lo ge wio kwi ta ba de no be ngo o be kwa ni mi po be kwa ni mi pen pe ngo mu ke be pe e no mir ke lo ge wi pe ne ti ne de ti ka ba ngo karni. So, eno ni kape wan nano, wabi koka kum gamenta kwe. Because me a kid gamenta madira wan, dak jo madong gitelo gamenta mabe lo ejo ati te daro. Pencham umirge ngu fu, jimi ngi umirge ngu gengu tim. Chene bene, we kwa nung chente, no en dano wan eni ni wen watika chulo ngo, muchoro. We gamenta chak wilo yaro chak timo ngo. So kau yatika rem chao ken ba yipe ga mi chene ngo. Me yat. Pe mi robet nong dana di mana kiti kichana ku chulba. Ti yat be du na. Ti kwan be or kwan be pe be yobo. Because ga dana ma chulu mu chore ya ngagora. Ti dana bichel. Ita nga mera chara chara me yobo ar mo ya ngagora. Kon wo bichel nga de chulu mu chore. An yet ga mera mer dana we na chulu mu chore. Manyo ka pe wan wa ti la ke ti da kire no ni. Wa bi koko. Bar le ga na ma le ko ka chula yene. Mi a chel ke chana na vulu. Kanga vulu doni ye nyo kanga kitirwa ke vulu vulu ka raj
Na ma dirwa ne?
dano
mene.
dano magiti tela
Okay, Lutera.
En malo mu ma yiti koke ana ko ko office para DCG yo RCC
RCC timo.
en mene ro tija vulu giti tema re fulli joni ngi joni wan bere was the station gibe ngo ki yabo ja kan yini ya association para ko ja peta ko re Lumumba
Association para ko gilu ni ngo.
Kiri mi ini ang cha ma food package jara guru kan
Get to you.
na get to youth ko nga ino dan kiti wa TikTok ni ang cha ma food package war ki president ki wato ko ngian go bero ki diana na if mi war ki gen ki president
Na gi mo
office para CCG
Okay.
mi guru kan mo e ki war ki gen ma gen po wi yero ngo dan cha we ngo ma nyur gini ka tingo coupe quartier yes coupe tie ma dong be gen da ku ker gini ma cha ngo ma cha project ceasefire ki dong be ka ngat no ti America team gen de chere kwana o ka mo me cha ni vulu be dong nge ne dai cái nam yu pa ko man tie mana ni am chamo beru kan la wo beru chera pa de bodwali chera na dano office pa MTN chera na dano office pa Airtel
No gi timo ngo.
renewing line
Why?
ke kwa chimgyo ke yoruba gyo eno iti association pa jona kiro pingo no pe ti association pa jona eno ni o kwan yo ke gina no wine eno nguto keeping and yet office pa RCC nyo RDC gen mo mi do ngona loka kuj na jan gen da ke gwa jo mabalo nga kuj eno ke gwa jo balo kuj pa gwa ka nga meta ni ke gwa gi ber ngo dano and yet tiek wari me tiek mo Uganda wari ni gangar mo ka mati ga gira kitero kwa police wa ke te kwa prison eno jeni ke jeni ke gwa gi I don't be teacher man and urgen bego give me ti don't pay on a station no beri ke kwa man down to no attack so eno ni ka gina pa wan wan na ti office pa security ti da ko
all right then respond
eno ni beber ka mete ki tieno del ka nge ka wan wa beru ka wa kwan gwa team pier da wa kwan na wa plate wa go be wa team mia dik na wa plate ni wa yiko ka ko man mi ali pier bor Uganda chani pe to arbe bi da kya pier da ka mi armaki ma pa ngi ni ta ma ko jena no loy na because connection tie mu ngel meno o ngo ki ba ka o wa ngo wa bot gi pe nge ta association mai kan association mai kan kran ngi chama ta association ma chama pa chama war ma ba association na ngo to pe ngo ni pa to
ayo no vite wa no chene war ma
ba an o bot ngo bot da no wa
avoid we're going to be responding. Commissioner, he has raised an issue. Indirectly. Ni government are providing security muramo both your magetimu business. Commissioner, he has raised an issue. Who are the ghetto youth to start with?
The ghetto disgruntled youth.
And
on the streets,
okay,
disadvantaged, victimized.
Like he's doing it.
I don't think he's
okay. Okay.
Usually, street kids.
Okay. They had the opportunity to have dinner with you on the eve of president's coming.
Yeah, there are several programs we have put up for them.
Okay.
And it's a two-way for Gulu and also for others. In Gulu, we haven't, but really we need them organized. You see, these are youth who have been victimized by circumstances beyond their control. And sometimes they commit crime because of these circumstances. I happen to have some 50 of them that I'm sweating with. And a sizable number are not even actually, but they can only speak one language actually. Some are even Eritreans, some Congolese. You see, they have stories that you can listen to and you get sympathy. For example, there's a daughter, she was abandoned by an aunt. This daughter, the mother is a Congolese, the father was a Muganda. So the Muganda was a soldier attached to 4th Division, and while he was here, he had this Congolese, maybe as a side dish, she was not known from. They gave birth to children, and unfortunately, the man died in somewhere in the battle and was not brought back. And 4 years ago, the mother also died when this daughter was 11 years. So today she's 15, loitering on streets of Gulu. And as I speak, she also has a kid. So there. Such people.
Whose father is known or unknown?
I don't know. So such people are ghettos.
Okay.
Now the government, we have a program. We say, let us try to prepare these people. I have said I have 50 of them. And I have registered them. And I'm trying to register them with NIRA. Unfortunately, they cannot tell some of the NIRA details which are required. because they ask your father's name. This is a kid who doesn't know the father's name. These are not some, the ones I'm talking of, the 50 are men, bearded men. Some with wounds, they have been beaten on streets for theft and so on. The guy tells you, see, I found I smoke opium because I don't have where to sleep. And you look at the night cold, I just smoke to warm myself. And in the due course, I sometimes find myself doing a lot of harm. These 50, we have treated some 25 of them at Guru Prison Health Center 4. And some are still undergoing treatment. There's a boy